Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add shop now button using Elementor. Right now as you can see I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and for adding a button we just need to create a section. So I have already created a section, and now we are going to add a button widget in this particular section. And for adding a button you just need to move your cursor over the black header line on the top and click on add element, the plus icon, and search for button widget, and then simply drag and drop this button widget into this section. So as you can see I have successfully added a button. Now we are going to edit the button settings. So in the left side toolbar, as you can see, there are three kinds of settings available: content settings, style setting, and advanced setting, right? So here in the text you can simply change the text to shop now from click here. Okay, and in the link you can simply type the link of your shop page or a product page, whatever you want. So I have simply typed the shop page URL over here because I want to redirect the user to my shop page whenever he or she clicks on this particular shop now button. So this is how you can add shop now button in your website using Elementor. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.